Hello, my name is Kacper. I am an engineer at MTS Technik, and in this video I'd like to present the Coilover suspension kit designed for the second generation VW Caddy and Seat Inca. The front axle kit consists of threaded shock absorbers finished in a gold zinc plating featuring the hexacoil adjustment nut. Hexacoil, thanks to the use of a clamping screw, significantly enhances the ease of height adjustment. Front springs are ERS type springs manufactured by the German company Eibach. They have linear characteristics, and thanks to their internal diameter of 60 millimeters, they allow for easy replacement with springs of different stiffness. Moreover, the kit comes in with helper springs that provide preload for the mainsprings. The rear axle kit consists of two sport shock absorbers with a shortened stroke, tailored for lowered suspension. They have increased damping force compared to the original shock absorbers, as well as steel height adjustment system for the rear axle. All steel elements are covered in zinc plating, providing corrosion resistance. Our kit also includes dedicated bump stops and dust covers, as well as black anodized aluminum spring caps for the front axle. It's also worth mentioning the option of ordering this kit with dedicated camber plates or to order camber plates separately. Our camber plates allow for smooth adjustment of camber and caster angles. These are made of black anodized aluminum and steel and utilize a uniball bearing, ensuring rigidity and reliability. This kit also comes in with an adjustment wrench, two MTS Technik stickers, and any necessary documentation such as installation manual and TÜV certificate. Thanks for watching.